Okay, imagine this. Imagine this. You come up to me, you're like, hey, I know the best concealer in the entire world. And I'm like, pfft. And then guess what? It's like less than $10. I don't believe you. I genuinely just like don't believe you. But then you show me this. I'm gagged. I'm genuinely gagged. The e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. One more time. The e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. This is the best concealer in the entire world. I love you so much. I have the shade Fair Warm, and I genuinely don't know why I keep doing this to myself, but I'm gonna just let my friend talk about what the hell this is, because I just think it looks pretty. So, hey, it's your turn. Yes, hi, I'm talking about the Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is $7 from e.l.f. and it's a full coverage hydrating cream concealer. It has a lot of different things and I'm not going to talk about it that much. Thank you. They say to apply this, you prep the under eye area. Use the doe foot applicator to apply the concealer to desired areas. Blend concealer with Flawless Concealer Brush by stippling areas as needed. Fingers or sponge can be used as an alternative to blend the concealer. What is it? A long-lasting liquid concealer that provides crease-resistant full coverage with a satin finish. Non-comedogenic, shade match guarantee. It's water-based. It just says nothing to see here, so I'm gonna just take that at its worth and move on. She always talks so freaking much. Okay, back to me. Hi. So, she talked all about what this is. I have the shade Fair Warm. Now, let me tell you what, guys. This is fantastic. I love the little doe foot that has the reservoir because it helps get a lot more product onto my face hole where it belongs. The color range is fabulous. I think it just blends out seamlessly. Let's flash back 2000, a couple years ago. I don't know. This didn't exist. So e.l.f. came out with the Camo Concealer. It was like a 16-hour Camo Concealer. Love the product. But I am 29. Sorry, I just had an existential crisis. I'm 29 and I literally cannot put that drying of a formula underneath these eyeballs or you'll be able to see every wrinkle, dinkle, stinkle, binkle that that's ever existed. It's like a tree under there. Every line is like the year that I've lived, and when I put on the Camo Concealer, the original formula, it's just like it's cave. It's cave down there. Dry. Everest isn't dry. Sahara. It's the Sahara Desert. This came out, guys. I just like lost my little mind. This is so good. This is my 15th freaking bottle of this. I can't even handle it. It's such a good price. It is such a good formula. I want nothing more than this concealer for the rest of my life. Like, we're BFFs. We are friends forever. Mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you for existing. Thank you. Thank you. Is the Hydrating e.l.f. Camo Concealer Bree approved? It's basic Bree approved. This is my holy freaking grail. This product is elite. This is better than anything you've ever tried. If you haven't tried this, go get it right now. You're just gonna go right in here in my little bag of trinkets that I love. This is my love bag. Just gonna sit in there and just be near to dear to my heart. If you're wondering what this is my bag of love. I love everything in this bag. And I'm here every day talking about the things that I love. I also talk about things that I don't love. We don't like to dwell on it or anything. Like everybody's got a stinker. You're my stinker. I'll see you guys in the next video because you are subscribed. Don't make a liar out of me. You're subscribed, right? Thank you.